Why do I always have a little bit of issue putting this? Oof. Welcome to Resi Studio. For week 6 for the intestine training, we were focused only on one theme slash task, in which was to actually get to know and understand and be able to create our own custom editor in Unity. So if you ever seen these tools in Unity in where you can actually like Pro Builder or other assets you see in the asset stores, those are actually custom editors. So we were not in that extent, but we were actually supposed to understand what is a custom editor and actually make one for our game. So let's jump to the task that they gave us. Yeah, like I have issues with showing the task since this time was very long, not because it was a lot of tasks, but they gave us at least a freedom to play around with custom editors. They were pretty mind open that we were allowed to do any type of custom editor, and if by any chance you get stuck a little bit, they send you like a few tips in what type of custom editors you can do. Now this is where this is where I got into the rabbit hole, because once you're getting to know how to make editor tools, that's when you notice that there's two types of custom editor tools. There's the custom editor window, in which there's the one that you actually go to window, just find it, and they pop up like they're hovering over in Unity. Now there's the custom inspector in Unity, in which it's like the inspector window when you select a game object, but you have some selections. Well, you can create a custom editor that has another type of information that the default inspector doesn't give you. I'm gonna show you mine, and don't laugh at it. So here's my little project, and yes, it's actually running really well on mobile. My game, I will try to make like a small gameplay and upload it. I still found some little bugs, but overall it's working. What type of custom editor I was trying to make? What I did was to actually make a custom editor in which you can place the towers, you can upgrade the towers from the custom editor and dismantle them or remove them from the game. So I'm gonna show you what custom editor that I did. So this is my editor tools, in which just a small detail window in which you're gonna see the different bases that are on the game. So these are dynamic, so if you added more base, they're gonna pop up around here on the editors window. Once the game is playing, play mode is on, you're gonna get more options on the editors tools, in which you're gonna have a button that you can start the game. You have buttons that you can actually control the speed of the game, pause the game, play the game, which is forward 2x, and then we'll give you options that you can actually select what towers you want to place on each base, and then you're gonna have more controls and what you want to do with the towers. For example, I want to place a gun weapon to base number 2, and here it is. Maybe you can, yes, you can see here. So here it is. Once the tower is placed on the base, then I will give you some more details about the weapons, in which what is the weapon's name and where is it placed, and then I will give you options to either upgrade the weapon or just destroy it. So I have these more options, so if I want, I can upgrade, or just destroy it. So let me just start the game with using the editors tool. I'm just going to fast forward a little bit the game from the editors tool. I just pause the game. So that's pretty much it. The whole point of this week 6 is to learn how to make the custom editors, and since they gave us the freedom to do whatever we want, we weren't constrained to have something particularly done on this week. So it was like last week, it was more like a breather in a sense, but the first few days were not a breather. I mean, I went to the rabbit hole when I was learning about custom editors, everything you can do. There are some actually good developers doing amazing stuff with custom editors. I was like, OMG, can I do this? But once you take everything step by step, or just start with something simple, then you will understand it. My goal was to actually make this functional and eliminate in my mind that I have to place colors, images on the custom editors, all this stuff. No, the first thing is make it work, and then you can actually put it a little more prettier in a way. I actually like the custom editors in Unity. There's something I'm gonna put on my bucket list to learn more to be a very good Unity developer. Yeah, I'm actually really liking. We're actually going to week 7. We're gonna dive into PayPal API. That's actually gonna help to see how Unity handles web requests. So that will actually be a +1 on my skill sets on Unity. But I'm actually very proud of what I have right now in this last 6 weeks. So this project, I'm gonna actually upload it itch.io. In reality, this will be my 3rd or 4th game that I actually do on Unity, but I don't actually show them. Once again, thank you for hearing me out. Until the next one, have a lovely day.